Hello guys, my name is Shakil and I welcome you to Educates. In this video, we will discuss an important topic, that is NEET eligibility 2021. So I have divided this video in four subtopics, that is educational qualification, minimum marks required in class 12th, age limit, caste reservation criteria, and at the last of the video I will tell you the number of attempts you can give in NEET. So first let's talk about educational qualification. The candidates who are appearing for NEET must qualify 12th class examination with chemistry, biology, physics and English subjects. If you have qualified your 12th class with MPC, Commerce, Arts, you are not eligible for NEET. Now we will talk about the minimum marks required in class 12th. So it is subdivided in two categories. The first category is for general and second is for SC, ST and OBC. So for general, it is mandatory to score 50% in 12th grade. So 50% is the minimum percentage you have to score in class 12th. Now for SC, ST or OBC, candidate must score 40% marks to become eligible for NEET 2021. So we can see a 10% reduction in SC, ST and OBC category. Now let's talk about age limit. So age limit is the major problems and worriedness in some NEET aspirants. So today I am going to solve your problem. So the lower age limits means the minimum age limit for candidates appearing the NEET 2021 should be 17 years. Means before December 31, 2021, you should be of 17 years. Now let's talk about the maximum age limit for general category. For general category, the maximum age limit is about 25 years, whereas for reserved category and person with disabilities, it is 30 years. So we can see a addition of 5 years in reserved caste categories. Now let's talk about the reserved caste criteria. So first, in reserved caste criteria, we can see general caste. Yes, this category is not applicable on all general aspirants. It is only applicable on economically weaker section in general. So for general economically weaker section, 10% seats are reserved. Secondly, for a scheduled caste, 15% seats are reserved, and for scheduled tribes 7.5% are seat reserved, and for OBC NCL 27% of seats are reserved. Looking at the last, that is personally with disabilities, 5% of seats are reserved. Now let's talk about number of attempts you can give in NEET. According to the new rule, candidates can give exams as many times as they wish in their life. At last, I will only tell to subscribe and like my video. Hope this video will be beneficial for you. Thank you guys. Peace out and stay safe, stay home.